Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Royal. So in today's video we're going to be creating a very simple, beautiful, elegant protective hairstyle, and it's very simple. All I just need you to do is to subscribe to my channel as we continue with this beautiful tutorial. So first of all, as you can see, because we'll start with combing the hair, then we'll give a side part like so. After which you comb, and then we go over to the other end of the hair, we give another side part, and we're giving it more like a semi-round cut at the front. Okay, then we braid it all up so we can segment it properly. So we're going to create another line at the side part because we were braiding it. Okay, so this is a Brazilian attachment wool. I just combed it, I picked it, and then as you can see, we're going to be twisting. We're going to be flat twisting this. So as you can see, we're just going to flat twist it, and then I keep going. Then progressively I would add an extra hair so it can give us the volume that we need. Okay, so I'm just going to just braid it like so all the way to the very end. I'm going to use a rubber band and hold it at the tip because it's a bit scattered at the back. So I'm going to do the same thing for the other end as well. As you can see, I use the Brazilian wool attachment and then I braid it like so. After which, so guys, I'm just going to braid it like so, as you can see. Then I'll add an extra Brazilian wool attachment and braid it. It's not really braid per se, we're flat twisting it. Then I'm going to use another rope and then I tie it at the end. So I'm going to be doing a rubber band hairstyle in front of this. I'm just going to part my hair in the middle, then part it in 4 segments. Then I'm going to use my black rubber band and tie it in front like this, and then I'll do that for the other part as well, and then conclude with the other end, as you can see. After which, I'm going to use my edge control hair and braid it like so it's gonna stay really smooth and laid down properly. Okay, then I'm gonna collect it the other way, and then I attach it together and bring it all the way to the very back, and then I'm gonna do this for the other end as well. Control my Cloud9 edge control, and I'm gonna apply it to the tip so there won't be any extra hairs on it. And I'm gonna use this and just plate it like so. And we are done. Okay, so I'm gonna pack my hair in an up bun. And then I'm gonna tie it, as you can see, more like you're packing your hair. It's just doing the whole celebration in front of it. I'm going to use like a thread, or just cut a segment of the thread and just pack it this way. Then I'm gonna roll it, as you can see. Okay, so when you're rolling it, make sure you roll it really beautifully so it sticks well. So here's my petals gel. I'm gonna use this to just lay my hair. I love it because it helps the hair stick, you know. Then I'm gonna use my bristle brush and just brush my hair and make sure it's beautiful. So this is of course my kinky hair that I've used for the longest. I'm just gonna use it to create the beautiful bun for the hairstyle. So I'm just going to keep packing the kinky hair, my used kinky hair actually, because I've used it for the longest. I'm going to use this and just keep rounding it and rounding it. I'll just keep adding so it will give me the desired volume that I need for this beautiful hairstyle. And as you can see, it's actually coming out beautifully. So I'm just going to keep rolling it and rolling it and rolling it. I want it to be, it's coming beautifully, and as you can see, the more I add, the more it's coming out beautifully. And I'm done. So I'm just going to brush my hair and of course accessorize the hair. So I got this beautiful accessory at a nearby hair store, so I'm just going to use this and just accessorize the hair so beautifully. And yeah, I'm done. Then I'm going to style my edges. I mean, this is one of the most beautiful parts, guys. I'm just gonna style my edges. You see how beautiful it came? It just brought out the whole look. Then I'm gonna oil my hair, as you can see, and it's gonna give us a whole sheen, beautiful shiny look, and we're done. So let me know what you think about this hairstyle. Let me know what you think about it. Personally, I love it. It's simple, it's elegant, it's very easy to do, less time. And this hairstyle took me only 35 minutes. I wasn't counting, but from the edits I could tell it took me just only 35 minutes, 40 minutes max. Yeah, and I'm definitely trying this hairdo. I've never really seen something like this, but that's the beauty of creativity. So you just have to make do of what comes to your mind. You can actually style this in a lower bun as well. It depends on your preference basically. So this hairstyle is a very simple, easy protective hair, and I enjoyed making this. So let me know in the comment section if you're definitely trying this hair. Let me know if this is something you do. Don't forget to share, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this beautiful. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this hair. To be honest, I can't wait to hear all of it. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.